Meet Lumo, the baby dragon who's about to try ice cream for the very first time. She's so curious, that's why she couldn't resist smelling it first, and then taking a tiny taste. She's about to sneeze, and oops, a tiny puff of fire melts her ice cream. Not exactly what she planned. She grabs another ice cream, and decides the cold one tastes way better. Ice cream is the best. Thanks for watching. More Lumo adventures are on the way. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you think Lumo is adorable, drop a comment below. See you next time.